Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a good news here. So TCS has started sending mails regarding the exam of TCS NQT, which was held in September 2021. So friends, you can see this email has come from nqt at tcsion.com and date, so Monday, November 8th, 2021, 9:22 p.m. So friends, this mail has come yesterday night and subject is TCS NQT September exam. Scores are published. So friends, we will talk in detail like what TCS wanted to say in this particular video. But before that, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then daba do subscribe button, and then also you need to click on this notification button so that you get all the notification of the videos which we are uploading. So you can see you should join fresher as a TCS Infosys Wipro or not. So all the videos we have done and all the job updates. So if you have not subscribed yet, then you are going to miss a lot of things. So now you can see, dear candidate, congratulations for participating in the TCS National Qualifier Test, TCS NQT, held in September 2021. Your scores are published and you can check the same in the link. So this link will be given. So once you click on this link, this will redirect you to TCS National Qualifier Test. And once you log in, then you will be able to see your scores. So we will be also discussing about the scores, like what will be the good score so that TCS might call you or the other companies might look for you. Okay. So again, we can read from here. So log in with your TCS ION Digital Learning Hub login credentials used at the time of registration for TCS NQT and click on the view details button. To view a scores, click on the scorecard tab, which will appear on the pop-up page, which opens after clicking on the view details. Please make sure pop-up is not blocked in the browser. So many times you can see the pop-up will be blocked. So because of that also the scorecard will not be visible. So please check properly. Then alternatively, if you do not remember your IDLH login details, you can check your scorecard using this login. So friends, many times students will be saying, sir, I do not remember the login details. So what should I do? So in that case, what you can do, so you can refer this link and you can put your login ID and then registered mobile number, and then you will be able to see your valid scorecards. Okay. Now, so enter your NQT registration number and password is your 10-digit mobile number used at the time of registration. Now, so friends, the question is, okay, sir. So till here you explained that we have got the scorecard. Now, what we have to do? What is a good score so that we will be getting selected in the companies? So friends, you can see TCS NQT qualifier test is your gateway to thousands of top jobs in multiple corporates to help you increase your chances of getting your dream job. We have associated with more than 450 plus top corporates to post their job vacancies on the TCS ION job listing portal. So friends, a very good score. So if you have more than 75 percentage or more than 80 percentage, that will be treated as a very good score, and based on that you will be getting the calls from company. So to apply for the job vacancies, you need to update your profile and apply for job on the TCS ION job listing platform. Check out the video for a step by step guide on how to update profile before applying to jobs. So friends, before you go and apply to jobs, you have to complete this on TCS ION platform. Okay. So there they have explained like how are you going to complete your profile, and then only company will start shortlisting your resume. So if you are not following this, okay, then it's difficult, friends. So even if you apply, it might get rejected. So step by step they have given each and everything. So you can also see, so it was uploaded on May 7th only, so when they have come up with all the companies. Okay. So what you can do here is, so you will be able to create a profile and then you need to publish your profile. Okay. So in summary, all you need to do is to follow these 4 easy steps. So you have to follow all these easy steps, and once your profile is completed, then apply for jobs by clicking on apply now button for the job listed in the link. Okay. So once your profile is completed, then you need to open this. Okay. So you need to go and apply. So now companies will not send you that you have interview this week or you have interview from this particular company. Okay. So that will not happen. So stay ahead of the competition by updating your profile and start applying to jobs posted. Okay. Now, So once you click on this link, you will be redirected to this particular page where you can see the available jobs. So automotive service technician, okay, graduate engineer trainee, Microland Limited, technical support engineer. So you can see there are a lot of companies where you will be getting hired. Okay, so again, load more. So and TCS, if there is any vacancies in TCS, so TCS also will be listing the jobs. So what you have to do is now you have to start applying with your scores. Okay, so with your current score, or if the previous score is good, so you will be able to apply with that. So here you can search for the job role like developments or whatever it is. Okay, software development, software testing, and then you can search for the location, and then you can get the company's name, and accordingly you can apply. So basically what you can do is, so you can check here, you can explore a bit, and then you will be getting more and more ideas. Okay, so if TCS has the vacancies, then TCS job will be also listed. Okay, so if you have a good score more than 80%, then definitely TCS will be directly calling you for the interviews and all. And there are many students from 2021 batches. They had been called by the TCS for the interview, and they were also selected, and they have also got the joining letter. So friends, I hope this small videos will be able to help you. And friends, if you have any queries, so because on YouTube videos we are not able to reply to much of the queries, so that is the reason. So I have decided to reply to the queries to the student. So please get, you can send your queries to my Instagram. So you can get this Instagram ID. Okay, so Pratik Srivastava Maths. So you can send me your queries on the Instagram, and I will try to reply. Okay, I'll try to reply each one of you, because on YouTube it is very, very difficult. So there are a lot of comments are there. So give us some time and connect here. We will definitely get back to you. Okay, thank you, friends.